Gratitude.
Gratitude is one of the things that have helped people to go far in life. I have met a lot of people who have been good to me, and I make sure that I show them gratitude. The little things that people do for me, I don't take it for granted, because I know how it feels when you do something for someone and the person doesn't appreciate you. Many a times we feel that we are entitled to many things, but we don't know how hard it was for somebody and the things, the hurdles and the heckles the person had to go through before he was able to do something for us. So we take it for granted. Be grateful in life. When someone does something little for you, show gratitude. Because that is when nature sees that the little he did for you through somebody, he can scale it up and take you to the next level. Sometimes we see people that they are just mere human beings. They don't deserve anything from us. But sometimes there is more to it. Because those people could have been an anchor to another person, but they chose to be an anchor for you. They showed that up at the time of your need. The time that you weren't expecting it, they showed up for you. The time that you thought all hope were lost, they were there. You were not the only fish in the water. There could have been somebody who needed the same support. Someone did something for me recently, and I need to applaud that person. You know yourself. I show you gratitude. I'm so grateful. May God bless you, and may universe shine its countenance upon you. May this year be the year that your life will begin to change. Good things that have never happened in your life before will start beginning this year. As we are still in the month of January, the first month, the month of blessing, the month of breakthrough, and the month of leadership, may good things come your way. Show gratitude. Never take people for granted. Because such a person may not be mad at you, may not be angry at you, but the universe sees it all. And whatever goes around, comes around. Whatever you sow, you reap. Gratitude. Thank you. See you another time. Bye-bye.